Did you know you can create and sell ebooks in just a few hours using AI and make money while you sleep? Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, even if you've never written a book before. Hey there, welcome back to the Earning Guru channel, your go-to place for tips, hacks, and strategies to grow your income online. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we post high-value content every week to help you earn smarter, not harder. Before we dive in, here's a little secret. Most people think creating an ebook takes months of writing, but with AI, you can create a full, professional-looking ebook in hours. And later in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn that ebook into a money-making machine, so keep watching. Let's get real for a second. Writing an ebook used to be a huge commitment. Researching, outlining, writing, editing. No wonder so many people give up before they even start. But imagine having an AI tool that can generate ideas, write chapters, and even format your book professionally. That's exactly what's possible today with AI. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be a professional writer. I had a friend, let's call him Jake, who created his first ebook in just one weekend using AI. He uploaded it to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and made his first $200 within a week, all without hiring anyone. All right, enough talking. Let's break down how you can do the same. I'll show you the step-by-step process to make money creating ebooks with AI. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Think about topics people are searching for, like personal finance, health and fitness, self-help, or even hobbies like cooking or gardening. The key is to choose something with demand and that you can create content for quickly. Step 2. Generate your ebook content using AI. Tools like ChatGPT can help you create outlines, write chapters, and even come up with titles and subtitles. For example, you can prompt AI with, "Write a 10-chapter beginner's guide to personal finance, including actionable tips and examples." The more specific your prompts, the better the output. Step 3. Edit and format your ebook. Even though AI can do the writing, you'll want to polish it and format it for Kindle, PDF, or other platforms. Tools like Canva or Microsoft Word make it easy to add cover designs and professional layouts. Step 4. Publish and sell. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, and Etsy are great platforms to start. Price your ebook reasonably. Test different marketing strategies, and watch your sales grow. You can even bundle your ebook with templates or worksheets to increase value. Step 5. Promote your ebook. Share it on social media. Use email marketing, or join niche communities where your audience hangs out. Remember, the AI did the writing, but you're still the one driving sales, so promotion is key. Here's the exciting part. Once your ebook is live, it becomes a passive income machine. You could create one ebook a month and gradually build a portfolio that generates revenue while you focus on other side hustles. So there you have it, a simple, actionable way to make money creating ebooks with AI. Start small, test different niches, and watch your digital products start earning for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow hustlers, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips. Drop a comment below telling me what niche you'll create your first ebook in. And check out our other videos on the channel for even more ways to turn AI into cash.